Right, so there's the supercharger serviced, the snout fully reconditioned, uprated Wraptor upper pulley, uprated Wraptor lower pulley, heavy duty drive belt. We've replenished these vacuum pipes that go all perished and snap, and then we've done away with the hard plastic coolant piping here, and I've installed this much more durable rubber piping with new clips. Got the new Wraptor Uprated Charge Cooler. On the XK we've moved the horns higher out the way so they're not blocking all the airflow here. A couple of performance air filters in the air boxes, and of course the Remap has been uploaded, that's specifically developed for this kit by Wraptor Performance. So now it's time to put the front end back on it.